Bulvar aralia is a beautiful foliage plant known for its attractive, leathery foliage. This plant is characterized by round, leathery, dark green leaves that look like a dinner plates, thus giving a plant its common as the dinner plate aralia. It grows up to 12 feet or more, but it takes many years to attain the size. It requires bright light and temperatures no lower than 60 degrees. It can be used for either indoor and outdoor. If you find it informative, do let us know by hitting on like button. Please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on bell icon for instant updates. This will really encourage us to do more. Thank you. Take care.